Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to deactivate your Instagram account. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and head over to the profile by tapping your profile icon on the lower right corner. And from here, tap on the three lines on the top right. And in here, go to account center. Now just tap on personal details in account settings section. Now head over to account ownership and control and tap on deactivation or deletion. Here select your account. Now make sure you check mark on deactivate account, and it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you deactivate it through account center or by logging into your Instagram account. Just tap on continue and it will tell you to enter your password and tap on continue. Once you do it, your Instagram account will be deactivated. So yeah, this is how you can deactivate your Instagram account. Hope this video helps, and we'll see you in the next video.